Hey guys, Claviculus Maximus of YouTube, otherwise known as the Brad Pitt or the Leonardo DiCaprio of YouTube, coming in hot with a banger of a YouTube video because, yeah, 2026 is halfway done. And in TikTok years, it's probably only one day left that we got of 2026. We're going to blink, and in a second, we're going to be in 2027. And I'm here to teach you, and I'm here to give you a guide on how to Looksmax in 2027 properly as the Leonardo DiCaprio of YouTube, the Brad Pitt of YouTube, and of course, none other than Claviculus Maximus. All right? Anyways, now it's going to be short and sweet. It's not going to be a long video. I don't want to take too much time. I don't want to take too much of your time. So we're going to get straight into it. Number one, you're going to ask yourself, right, as a future handsome mogger and Looksmaxer, what body part do I want to enhance or optimize? Do I want to get a more beautiful or handsome face? Or might I want to stretch, widen, and increase the muscle mass of my shoulders or chest or maybe triceps and arms? Or third, might I want to increase the mass and how large my ball sack is so that when next summer comes, summer of 2027, the ladies will tell me, oh, look at that. This man has large nuts. So ask yourself first, what do you want to moggin? And number two, let's say that you want to work on your face. I'm going to teach you a new technique that's going to be tippity top in 2027. Get the hammers down. We're not going to bone smash with a hammer. That's already outdated, ladies and gentlemen. What you're going to do is you're going to start refrigerator maxing. And you're going to open the door of your refrigerator. You're going to put your face in between the open air space and the door, and you're going to start slamming, all right? You're going to start going into town until not your face is swollen red and or bleeding until you literally break a bone. If you're not willing to go hard in 2027, if you're not willing to Looksmax and Mogmax in 2027, if you're not breaking any bones, you're not doing anything good. All right? And number two, we're going to start doing a new thing here around these parts, all right? We're going to start vegetable oil maxing, all right? Let me quickly show you a picture of this guy, all right? Do you see the size of his biceps? Do you see the size of his pectorals? Now, that's what I'm telling you. This man mogs hard, all right? And in order to achieve these overwhelming results, it's not time to go to the gym, baby. It's time to get a syringe. It's time to fill it up to its maximum capacity, and it's time to drill it into your bicep or into your pecs and start vegetable oil maxing. All right? Now, if you've already refrigerator max, and if you're vegetable oil maxing, now the last and third final step for this guide, at the very least, how to Looksmax in 2027 properly, we're going to start chainsaw maxing. All right? Some of us are way too broke. Some of us are way too poor to get, these surgeries or these medical procedures to enhance ourselves or to mog harder, all right? But I'm pretty sure if you get a chainsaw, you turn it on or you give a powered on chainsaw to one of your friends and he rips your entire shoulder and arm off, you can go to the hospital and maybe if you pray to God and if you're mogging just as hard, you're probably going to get a better arm or a better shoulder and a better arm in replacement, all right? And again, if you're not willing to do these things, all right, then go home. This is how to properly Looksmax in 2027, and you got it from the best source in the game, all right? Now, get ready, go home, It's time to mog hard. 2027 Looksmaxing. Here we come.